guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very lazy day and I'm just done with work, and I was like wondering what should I cook. Oh, I forgot one thing. The noise that you are hearing is my washing machine that is actually washing the dishes. That's one thing that I like about the washing machine. All I have to do is just rinse off the stuff, but definitely this is what I like. So I bought this meat. It's a lasagna, and I took out my Google Translate, and it says lasagna made of salmon, very expensive fish. And I was like, go Mina, should I just be stuck on beef every time, or lamb or steak lasagna? Let me try something different. I haven't tried it. It's my first time trying it. I was like, what do I have to lose? At least I bought it in a small portion for me to try and see how it is. It's my first time eating lasagna with fish, which is salmon. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you how we will prepare it, and then we will see if I like it, if it's based on my preferences or not, if it's something new that I still need, as time goes on and you are eating this stuff, it's when you realize maybe it's the one. And then I bought this salad. I know it's salad with vegetables, potato salad with vegetables. And I was like, let me take this smaller portion and see. Maybe I might like it. I actually wanted the other one that was plain, but they didn't have a small portion, and I didn't want to buy a 1 kg. No, not me. So let's try and start up this. What does the instruction says? I will need to Google Translate for this, because definitely it says it needs to go in the oven for 700 watts, and then you should cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, or you can take the oven for 180 and then you have to cook it for 25 minutes. Should I take the degrees or should I take the 700 watts? Can I wait for 25 minutes? The other one is, since I have a combination oven, microwave, everything together, I think I'm going to go for the 700 watts and then cook it for 6 to 7 minutes. So I'll take the maximum, which is 7. Okay. There's just me translating because it's in Dutch. My little Afrikaans can help here, because here they are saying vergeet me. Okay. Salmon. So I need a Caesar for this. I just hope it comes out good. So basically this is how the package look. Where's the instruction? Should I pull? Should I do what? Or should I just cut? These things of not liking to read instructions, will let you know where. Okay, so I'm just cutting off this portion, because here they said you don't have to take it with a plastic in the oven. I mean, if you place these in the oven with a plastic, you are waiting for disaster. So I'm just gonna take out the package from here. It smells fishy. It is fish. Why shouldn't it smell like fish? So this is my microwave / oven. So I'm gonna place it in here. It should be in the middle, nice in the middle. And I'm gonna put it, because it says 6 to 7 minutes, depending on your choice. So I'm gonna take 7 minutes and switch it on 700. Let me place there. Do we have 700? Okay, we have 700. Let me just verify. This is 700 for 6 to 7 minutes. I'll take the maximum, which is 7 minutes. I'll make it 7:30. These things are not following instruction. Okay, go. Why isn't it taking? And there we are. So we are waiting for that. And then I miss my Coca-Cola. It has been a long time that I haven't drank this. And I was like, why not go? It's a fish and it's this. It should be good. I just made sure that I didn't take, you know, without sugar. I like my things with sugar. So sugar will need to be in. I don't like it when it's less. I feel like it's a little bit dull. While we are waiting for that, let me taste this salad. Let's see. They also already have like a spoon inside here. Let me make use of that spoon. So I don't know. Let's see. I like the way that they decor these things with the mayonnaise there. Okay. There's that sour taste that just kicks you in the neck. I like the veggie that is there. Not bad at all. And a lot of veggies. Which is fine. But I don't feel the sugar. And I don't feel the salt. It's just mild. I can feel the flavors coming from the vegetable. Because we have sprinkles here. And then we have carrots. And potatoes. It's actually not the type of. How many minutes? 6 minutes. It's actually not the type of salad that I'm used to, but it's something different. Because the way that I used to prepare salad, I can feel my mayonnaise here. Yeah, everything is just mild. It's only that the vegetables are so strong, you can feel the vegetables definitely. You can definitely feel the vegetable. The flavors from the vegetable. It has a lot of chew inside. Maybe I didn't show you that clear. This is how it looks. It's good that I bought a small one. I hate buying bigger things. Sometimes it looks so nice, but once you come and taste it, it's actually not meant for you. That's why I like going in to buy a smaller portion for tasting purposes, because they don't have those tasters where you're like, let me taste. Then you make your conclusion for jam. This is the one that I want. But here they don't do that. So, unless you go to the supermarket. This would be nice with a lack of dry meat. This is the time that I miss barbecue. Maybe I need to buy myself a brine thing. But the oven can also function like that. But I need it with charcoal. And then with brine, there's flavors. I don't know. But I don't have time to be doing that. Lighting up a fire. I don't have the patience in. But this thing is not that bad. I'm just, eating and eating and eating. 2 minutes remaining. I'm just eating. I don't know. To me, I find it a little bit strange. It's maybe because I love meat so much that if I have to eat things that just consist of vegetables, I just feel like it's a little bit, I just feel like I haven't ate. I just feel like something is missing. So definitely I like my meat in, be it chicken, be it lamb, be it beef, be it steak. I just love my meat. It shouldn't be a lot, just like a small portion and you need to dive in. I just love it. That's why the salad will be nice with the lekker meat that is nice and fried. And those chili. I'm imagining, I'm missing meat, man. I'm missing Namibian meat, to be specific. So this thing is gonna wait until, while we are waiting, should I eat it? I don't want to wash dishes. So definitely we will need to eat it. Definitely we'll need to eat it with the carry bag that it comes from. While we are waiting for that, I need the glass. I need a glass. I don't drink alcohol, but if I have the champagne or what, why not create your own happiness with the Coke that you had? I mean, it's me. It's me. I'm doing what makes me happy. So, everybody with their own happiness. And I made it full. Of course. I don't want to drink it right now, but the moment I start drinking it, ooh, that is ready. The moment of truth. I need pork so that we can taste it together. This is done and dusted. Ooh, I overcooked it there, but the instructions say that I only added 30 minutes. So basically this is how it looks out of the oven with all the, yeah, it cooked a lot, but the instructions say that I just added how many minutes. And this is how it looks. Ooh, I can't wait. I love the cheesy things it looks. Let's start here. Which flavor did I take? Is this not lasagna? It looks like spinach. This looks like spinach. I need to make sure. Oh, now I can feel the salmon. Now I can feel it. Oh, this tastes nice. This definitely tastes nice. Let me just double make sure. I had to go back in the dustbin. It's my dustbin anyway. Yeah, lasagna with salmon. But I can feel the spinach, so I don't know what this is, the green things here. But so far I love it. Or maybe the label was wrong, but I can feel the meat. It's not so overpowering, but just nice. I took a lot and then I burned myself. But the thing is, wow, this is nice. I like the way that they were so not stingy with the meat, with the cheese. Wow. Will I buy it again? Of course, I will buy it. This is beautiful. Oh, it's so hot and nice. Oh my goodness. I can't even breathe because this is how delicious this is. I'll go back tomorrow. This is beautiful. It's my first time and I like it. Wow.